Prepare to be blown away by what this compact
industrial
powerhouse
strength
laser
can do.
marking that fits in your workshop, garage, or even your backpack. Watch as it etches
Permanent
deep markings into steel tools, perfect for asset
Then
tagging.
see
it delicately personalize a leather wallet without any damage to the material. The versatility is mind-blowing, from rubber stamps to anodized aluminum. No material is off limits. The secret? Professional-grade fiber laser technology in a package that works wherever you do. Use it handheld for large or awkward items, or secure it in the stand for repeatable, precision work. The adjustable settings give you complete control over
Your
depth and
competitors are
contrast. Still using outdated methods, but you'll be creating flawless, professional markings in minutes. This isn't just another engraver, it's the ultimate tool for makers who demand the best.